till J. That means you have done first 10 questions now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's great. You don't have to do next 10 questions. First, we'll discuss the first 10 questions. After that, we'll do next 10 questions. Okay. Finished? How many of you? I can see only 1, 2, 3, 4 students on my screen.
And my mom is there in the background. That's the reason. She told me to turn off the camera.
Okay. Once you all finish your question, you just tell me. I will discuss the answers. Okay. Nine, three questions are left now. I hope you all have done. Done? If you have done, show me your thumbs up. Like you can react on the video. Krishnaditya done and Vedika done. No, Sahasra done.
Ma'am, I'm just
Shashi
typing all
done.
the answers, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see your hand raised on my screen. Satvik done. Motita, have you done? Okay, now let's discuss the answers. The second answer is it is 6, then 1, then 84, then 147. No, wait. I think it's not correct.
Ma'am, ma'am, check, ma'am. I gave my answers in the chat box.
Wait, I'm checking. I guess it's
the
not.
The third one answer is wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. It's 71. Then it's 25. Then the next one is 31. Then 99. Then it's 70. And then it's 53. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about the C one, ma'am?
It's 1.
It's one only, ma'am.
Anna?
Video cut, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you got all the answers correct. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do next 10 questions. Start doing next 10 questions. If you want, I can do one question on my tool. You want me to do? Okay. See, the first question, 32. So 32, 32. Now, the next, minus 12. 1 down from 10th rod, 2 down from 1's rod. Then plus 10. 1 up on 10th rod for 0. No need to bring any bead. Okay. After that, 50. 5 and for 0 again, 5 on 10th rod and 0 on 1's rod. So there's no need to bring any bead. So what is the answer? Answer is 80. Now do all the 10 questions. By the time.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, you're
Done?
showing the Sorobanta, ma'am, that abacus tool, ma'am.
But
There are the
I'm
questions.
able to see the questions.
you're not able to see the question?
No,
Yes,
ma'am. We can
ma'am.
only see the abacus tool.
Wait. I'm just showing you. Now can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now do first 10 questions. Krishnaditya, are you using your left hand?
Yes, ma'am. Left hand.
Good.
Dash 10 minus 7 plus 25 equals to 37. 37
Do it fast. Increase your speed.
plus 52 minus 10. More 5 questions only, ma'am.
Yes, Vedika, done?
Yes, ma'am. I have sent you the answer as well.
Okay. I'm just checking. Very good, Vedika. And what about others? You have done? Do it fast, then we'll match the answers, okay? Vedika, by the time you can start doing next 10 questions. Satvik and Vedika, you are getting different answers.
Actually, in some questions I did the first one. After you shifted, I taught the second one, and I did the second bit, ma'am, from G18. From G.
I hope you have done first 10 questions or not. Have you done first 10 questions?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, and send also, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Wait, these are answers sent by Shreyasi, you are getting different answers. Vedika is getting different answers.
I
Wait.
don't know, ma'am.
80, 10, 60, 37, 70, 73, 47, 63, 12, 6. These are
Ma'am,
the
all the answers are correct.
Ma'am, from the D bit, I did the second one D bit
okay, no problem, no
by
problem.
mistake.
Now you got 10, 74, 39, 52. These are, Shreyasi, you send me these answers.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, which one is correct. Ma'am, you can do it your own, ma'am, and then.
Yeah, wait, I'm just taking out. Can you see my tool also?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No? You cannot see my tool. Okay, wait, I'm just doing
Yes, ma'am.
95 minus 45 plus 30 minus 70. Yeah, it's 10. Second answer is 10. Then 76 plus 10 minus 36 plus 10. Yeah, third answer is 60, correct. Then 79 plus 10 minus 77 plus 25. 37, correct. Now the fifth one, 37 minus 30, 82 minus 19. It's 70, correct. Now 22 plus 11 minus 30 plus 70. It's 73, correct. Okay. Now next one, a 10 plus 10 plus 50 minus 60. So the correct answer is 10. Correct answer is
Yes, ma'am.
10. Okay. Then, okay, next question. Let me do next question. 11 minus 10 plus 51 plus 22. So the correct answer is 74. This one is correct. This wrong, 74 is correct. Okay. Now, next, 8th question, 54. Sorry, 9th. 25 minus 50 plus 10. The correct answer is 39. This one. Vedika, what happened? Now, 63 plus 16 minus 27 plus 42. So the answer is 94. It's not 52.
Ma'am, I got 94, ma'am, Krishnaditya.
Yeah, again I'm doing this question. 63 plus 16 minus 27 plus 42. Yeah, it's 94. Both are wrong. Correct answer is 94. Now you can match your answers. These are the correct answer. Wait, I'm writing again in the box. Okay. Wait. So here I will write the answers. Fine. It's 80, 10, 60, 37, 70, 73, 10, then 74, 39, and 94. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. I did mistake, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 94. Again, I did it wrong.
Okay. Now do next 10 questions. Okay, I'm removing these questions so that you will not be confused now. Do next 10 questions. This time I'm showing my, wait just a second, I'm sharing screen again. First this board and after that tool. Now tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
what can you see on the screen?
Ma'am, the set B questions and the abacus tool.
The questions.
Both are?
Questions and the Saravan.
Sauraban and question both
Yes.
are visible together. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Now start doing your work. And do it fast and send me the answer of these 10 questions so that we'll match our answers. Okay. Krishna Ditya, you have sent me answers of the second 10 questions or the
No.
first one?
First one, ma'am.
First one, okay. Now do all these 10 questions. Yeah, Shrasi, you want to say something? And Vedika, you both have raised your hands. Vedika has done, okay. 19, okay.
Ma'am, can you check my answers once?
Okay, I will, now my tool is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will check all the answers together. You also do these questions? Everybody do these questions so that we can match our answers.
Ma'am, in the previous questions, the last four were wrong because I did the last four one of this.
Second part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was checking my
That's why
answer.
I was also thinking because there's no compliment, nothing. These are direct questions, you know. So, hi, VM Amit. You got late today. We are doing double-digit questions. Although I
Yes,
brought
ma'am. I'm also
them yesterday only. I hope you know these questions.
Yes, ma'am. I'm at GI, ma'am, already.
Very good.
Like
Very
the
good.
second set.
Do it fast. Increase your speed. Two participants raise their hand. So one is Vedika. She has already done. Satvik, you have done. Very good. Shall I match the answers? I will do each and every question on my tool. 91 minus 70 plus 52
Ma'am, you
plus
do it on
25.
ma'am.
What?
98.
Ma'am, I'm doing one. That's the reason I'm telling ma'am you can do on your own mobile, ma'am, on like that.
I wanted to do it on tool so that those are making mistake, they will come to know. Finish your question, don't worry. On
98.
which question you are? Shrishti, on which question you are?
I am on 6th now. Yeah.
6. Okay. Increase the speed.
Ma'am,
Is my
98.
first answer correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Same
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
98.
Now, if I'll write on the board now, my tool will disappear, right? So you just keep matching your answers. Okay, let me try. If I write my answer and then again, tool and question both are visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
are visible.
Okay, so this is how I can do. Got it. 30 minus 10 plus 50 minus
60.
60.
Yes, ma'am. The next one is 45.
45, 49.
45,
Yeah, let
49.
me check it.
57.
78 plus 11 minus 54 plus 10. 45. Correct.
45.
Good.
Ma'am, next one is 49, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do it
Yes,
on
ma'am. 49, 57.
minus 31 plus 23 plus 15. Answer is 89. You are
Ma'am,
saying 32.
You did
Ma'am,
55.
15 you wrote 50, ma'am. 15. You kept
Okay,
one more
let
bit.
me do it. Let me do it. 42 minus 31 plus 23 plus 15. 1, 5, 15. Okay, 49.
Ma'am, you took the beat from a 10th place.
Yes, yes, yes.
50 bit.
Okay, now 79
57, ma'am. The answer is
5
57, 94.
5 minus 22. Yeah, it's 57. Great.
After that, 94.
94, ma'am.
47, 6. One more.
47, 63.
39 minus 26 plus 71 plus 10. Yeah, it's 94. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Then,
question.
ma'am, I got 47.
52. For this 90 instead of 90,
And the message is sent.
47.
Ma'am, 47, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 47. I got 47.
Yes, ma'am. 47, ma'am.
Then 63,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
sent you all the answers, ma'am.
Yeah, it's 47.
47. Ma'am, after that question, 63.
It is
Then 12.
63,
Then
ma'am,
6.
after that.
Yes, ma'am. After
Yes, ma'am.
63.
I is 12. I got I 12.
Let me do it.
Yes, ma'am.
63. Yeah, you are correct. Very good. 63.
Ma'am, after that, 12 and 6.
After that, 12
And
and
12 and
6,
6,
I
ma'am.
got.
I got
67 minus 15 plus 11 minus 51. Answer is 12. That's great. Okay.
Ma'am, after that, I got
ma'am.
56, ma'am, not 6, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 6, ma'am.
So, I'm doing
Only
it.
6, ma'am.
Minus 72 plus 55 minus 71. It's 6.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Yes,
70, 70 are bigger numbers, so we'll get 6. only.
Okay. Now let's do a new thing today. Okay. You know, you are aware how to do direct questions, like
Yes,
direct
ma'am.
numbers, whether it is 10, number of row is 10. Yesterday we did 10 row questions. Today we have done double digit questions. Now let's do one more thing. Okay. See, if you have, let's do one question. 2 plus 2, now plus 1. In 4, I have to add 1.
5 minus 4.
5 minus 4.
1 beat down. Yes.
Hmm.
5 will
Yeah.
come down,
See,
ma'am, and all the 4 will
whenever-
come down.
Whenever you have upper beat is available for you, you can take help of 5. And you know for which number you can take help of 5? For 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is known as 5's complement. So you know, for smaller kid, I tell them a story and then I'll make them questions. But for you, let's directly write the complements. Okay, because for you especially, I just want you to bring this on the software. As fast as you will learn complements, you will be able to do questions on software. Any questions? Because for you, that practice is very important, right? So for the questions, I'll be giving you the sheets. You can do at home and you can practice, right? So put the heading 5's complement. And here in complement, it is not I, that is complement. It's complement PLEMENT. Okay. So for plus 1, you know what we do?
Complement.
See, like we have friends now. Numbers are also having their friend. For the who is the friend of 1? 1's friend is 4, 2's friend is 3, 3 friend is 2, 4 friend is 1. So you just keep these things in mind,
1.
so that you will be able to learn easily, right? Who is the friend of 1? 4. Who is the friend of 2? 3.
4.
Who is the
3.
friend of
3.
2? Who
3.
is the
1.
friend
2.
of
2.
4? 1.
1.
1.
4.
4, 3.
So remember
come on.
this thing. So you will not face any problem while learning the complements. So for +1, when we take help of 5, 5 says I will help you, but you need to if you need to add 1, 5 says I will help you to add 1,
4.
but you need to remove friend of 1. Only then I will help you. So for +1, what we do, we bring 5 down. And when we bring 5 down, that means we are adding 5
4 bits down.
and we remove 4. So for +1, what we do? +5 minus 4. +5 minus 4. Keep this thing in mind. For +1, we do +5 minus 4. For +2, +5.
+5 minus 3.
Yeah. For +3, who is the friend of 3?
2
Plus
5
5
minus 2.
minus 2.
+4 is equals to +5.
5
minus 5
minus 2.
plus minus 5. I mean
And
plus 5
these
and
are the complements to add the numbers. In the same way, okay, do this first. Note it down.
noted while writing only, ma'am.
You have written?
Yes.
Great. Great. So for every complement, we will practice one sheet. Okay, for every complement. So if you have written, tell me, I will take out the sheet.
Ma'am, written.
Written? Good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Long there.
Written, ma'am.
Very good. So now I will stop sharing my screen and I will share the book. Wait. Okay, let's do these. Yes, so let's start doing the questions. Just give me a second, make it 100%. Now it's fine. Okay, so now I'm sharing the screen. I will share screen as well as tool also. Okay, both the things together. So tell me, on the screen, can you see questions and tool both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's start doing the first question. What is the first question? That is 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, one more thing. To learn all the complements, you have to speak. Whenever you are applying complement, you have to speak. Only then you can learn all the complements and they will be on your tips. Okay, so 2 plus 2. Now for +1, what we have to do? +5 minus 4. And the
Ma'am,
answer is,
+5 minus 4.
yeah, 5.
1.
Every
5.
time, right? 1 plus 3, now +1, +5 minus 4. Got it? In all the numbers, you have to add 1 only. So you will remember the complement, because in all the questions, you are applying same complement. So start doing it. Do it as fast as you can do. Then we'll match the answers, okay? Do it fast.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. And you remember the complement?
Yes, ma'am.
+1 is equals to?
Ma'am, +5 minus 4.
Very good. +5 -2. That's great. Very good. Rest of you, all of you, try to do it fast.
Ma'am, it was so easy, ma'am. I did it, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, only first bit or first, second, third?
What?
Ma'am, the first one or first, second, third? All the
You have to do all the questions. There are 25 questions.
Yes, ma'am, done. I sent the answer also. ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all have done. Shall I write the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5,
5.
5, and most of the answers you would have got 5, 7, 8,
8.
7, 5.
5, 5,
You're getting 5 and 5.
5. And then 8.
5, 5, 5, 5.
Yes.
So,
please.
And
9,
9,
5,
5,
5,
5, 6, 5.
6, 5, 8, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Done. Okay. On the next page, see, I am skipping this page because again, we have to add one only in this page. Okay. So for this, I can give you for the homework, right? Now let's do next page. Here you have to add 2. So what is the complement if you want to add 2? If you don't have sufficient bead on the lower rod, so what will you do? Let's do one question. 1 plus 2.
plus 5
Now we
minus.
have to add 2, but only one bead is remaining. But I have 5 available on the upper portion. So I can take help of 5. And what I will be doing, plus 5 minus 3. Plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Okay. Do this page. Start doing it. Do it fast or do all 25 questions.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed? That's great. I hope you are not doing it orally. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6.
Ma'am, I'm doing it by the
Ma'am,
reading
done.
Tool?
compliments. Compliments I'm reading and doing.
Yes. Yeah. I know these are 3 rows question only, but still I would like you to do it on tool. Okay. Yeah. Try to do it on your tool. Only then you will be able to remember the complements. Okay. So that you can start doing questions on software. Done? All of you done? Wait, two students have been. Satvik and Vedika done. Very good. Shasi, have you done? Done? Should I write the answers?
Ma'am, 2-3 questions more.
Okay, do it, do it. I'm waiting.
And done.
Done. Okay. Now, yeah, I'm getting answers in messages also. Very good. Okay, now let's match the answers. This is 5, 5, 6, 6,
6,
8,
7, 6,
6, 7,
8,
8, 6, 8, 8, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 8, 6, 9, 7, 8. Am I right? Correct all answers? Say
yes,
or
ma'am.
no. Great. So now skipping this page. Okay. And let's start doing this page. So now what is the complement to add 3? Plus 5 minus 2. Okay. So on tool, I'm showing you first question 2 plus 1. Now you have to add 3. But we don't have sufficient bead in the lower portion. So let's use the complement because 5 is available. You know, sometimes if 5 is down, now can you take help of 5 to add 3? Say yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, if 5 is down in case, then you cannot take help of 5. For that, I will be telling you another complement. Okay. So for 3, 2 plus 1, now we have to add 3. So plus 5 minus 2. And what is the answer? Answer is 6. I hope now you can do all the questions. Do it fast. If you have any confusion, you can tell me. Done? Who is sending answers?
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am.
Satvik and Himanshu have also done. Very good. That's great.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but we cannot use in this complement that you have
Where?
provided.
Where?
Ma'am, in this questions.
Which one? Tell me.
Ma'am, second one. First bit, second.
Tell me the question. Read out the question.
Ma'am, 1 plus 2 plus 3.
Why we can't use? See, 1 plus 2. Now plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Done.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think you got confused somewhere.
yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. I hope all of you done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just writing the answers. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 6, 6, 9, 6, 5, 7, 7, 6, 9, 7, 6, 6, 9, 9, 5, 7,
6, 7, 8, 5.
8, 5. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we are not doing any more pages. Okay. So my God, there are 12 students, and I can see only 3 videos. That's actually very bad. Yeah, right? Okay. Now let's do some oral question, 1 or 2. So you know how to do it. You have to imagine the beads. And shall I start? Mentally. Okay. 2
Yes, ma'am.
plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Answer?
One.
One.
What is the correct answer? I want answer from everybody. Why you have joined the class if you're not giving me answers, if you're not interacting with me? And what is the use of joining the class? Tell me. I think you're not getting anything if you're not talking to me, you're not interacting with me. Okay, next question. Let's do it again mentally, right? Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2. Answer?
Two answer. Two is the answer.
2.
Ma'am.
2 is the correct answer. Actually, we need practice at this thing. This is the most important thing, and we need practice on this thing. Okay, let's do next question. 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5. Answer?
7.
7.
Correct. Next question.
7.
Next. Okay. 8 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 plus 1. Answer?
8.
Ma'am, your voice was breaking.
The voice was breaking. Shirasi, 9.
9.
Very good. Yeah, due to network, maybe it happened that my voice was breaking. Okay, so from the next week, you will come to know about the timings. Okay, you will get all the information. Maybe there's some change, or it may be, or it may not be. Okay, so from the next week, let's see. You will get all the information. And for today, now I will be ending the session. Okay, and I want you to practice all the complements, right? Along with the complements, visualization. Okay, for visualization, I'll be sending you questions, so you can do those questions mentally. Okay, so for today, bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.